Hello everyone and welcome. I, Dr. Rubina Bano, Assistant Professor in Department of Management Sciences, Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, going to discuss an essential aspects of a modern organizational success, that is workforce diversity. In today's globalized and interconnected world, diversity in the workplace is not just a concept, it is a key driver of innovation, growth, and inclusivity. Understanding the workforce diversity and implementing the strategies to embrace it is a critical for any organization what wants to thrive. So, what exactly the workforce diversity is? Now, let's move. It refers to the variety of differences among the people in an organization. These differences can be visible, like a race, age, or gender, or less visible, such as religion, sexual orientation, and socio-economic background and personal values. Every individual brings a unique set of experiences, perspectives, and strength. Recognizing and valuing these uniqueness allows organizations to benefit from a broader range of ideas and solutions. Diversity can be classified into a several types. These includes the internal diversity and external diversity. Internal diversity such as age, race, gender traits and we are born with. While the external diversity covers the aspects like education, marital status and religion, so which are shaped by the life experience. So organizational diversity basically relates to the job roles, departments and the level of seniority. So lastly, the worldwide diversity includes the individual perspectives, cultural values, and political beliefs. Understanding these layers helps to understand the leaders and the teams which interact more effectively. Of course, managing a diverse workforce it is not an easy task. It comes with its own set of challenges. These may include the communication barriers, cultural misunderstanding, unconscious bias, and resistance to change. If left unaddressed, these challenges can hinder collaboration and cause conflict. Therefore, organization must be proactive. This means offering regular training on diversity and inclusion, encouraging open dialogue and creating safe spaces where the employees feel heard and respected. So, to promote the workforce diversity effectively, organizations should adopt the inclusive hiring practices and ensure equal opportunities for their advancement and actively address the bias in all forms. So, establishing the employee resource group, celebrating the cultural events, and promoting the flexible work policies, it can also helps to create a sense of belonging. It's not enough to simply have a diverse team. Organization must ensure that every individual feels valued, supported, and empowered to contribute in the organizational success. So, let's move to the dimensions of diversity. To understand the diversity comprehensively, it helps to look at it through the various dimensions. For example, number one, the demographic diversity, which shows the differences in the age, gender, ethnicity, race, physical ability, etc. While the cultural diversity is a variation in the cultural backgrounds, nationalities, and traditions. Third, the cognitive diversity, which shows the differences in thinking styles, learning approaches, and problem solving techniques. Now, let's move to the next one, the experiential diversity, which shows the differences based on the life experiences, education levels, job histories, and upbringing. Organizational diversity is basically focuses the variation in the different departments, job functions, management levels, and tenure within a company. Each dimensions contributes to the richer, more complex organizational environment and one that mirrors the diversity of customers, communities, and the markets around the world. Now, let's move to understand the importance or relevance of workforce diversity. The importance of workforce diversity goes beyond the fairness or social responsibility. It directly contributes to the business success. For example, the research constantly shows that the diverse teams are more innovative and more productive and make a better decision in today's scenario. Organization with diverse workforce often have a higher employee engagement and better equipped to serve the diverse customer bases. So moreover, embracing the diversity can enhance the company image and attract the top talent from all the backgrounds. A diverse workforce brings the multiple advantages to an organization. Number 1, innovation and creativity. When a people from the different backgrounds collaborate, they offer the new ideas and unique solution to any problem. This creative synergy often leads to the innovation. Now, improve decision making. Of course, diverse teams are known to examine more alternatives and avoid groupthink, leading to better and more balanced decision to cope up from any situation. Third, access to the broader talent pool. Now, organizations that value diversity can attract and retain the top talent from all the walks of a life. Next, it will enhance the company reputation. Of course, the inclusive companies are often viewed more positively by consumers, investors, and the job seekers. Next, the global competitiveness. A diverse workforce is better equipped to understand and serve the international markets, giving companies a global edge. Next, the legal and ethical compliance. Promoting diversity helps meets the requirements of the equal opportunities laws and demonstrate a commitment to the fairness and justice. Now let's discuss the challenges in managing diversity. Workforce diversity is called as an emerging challenge of a human resource management because managing a diverse workforce requires a new approaches, strategies and sensitivities that go beyond the traditional HR practices. As a globalization, migration and social awareness continue to rise, the organization are experiencing greater variation in employee backgrounds, beliefs and expectation. So this diversity, while offering the tremendous potential, also presents the challenge in a communication, collaborations and inclusivity. HR professional must now address issues such as unconscious bias, cultural misunderstandings, unequal opportunities and the need for inclusive policies. Unlike earlier time when uniformity is the workplace was often the norm, today's HR teams must create the environment that not only accept the differences but also leverage them as a strength. So this requires a continuous training, update to hiring and evaluating system, leadership commitment, making the workforce diversity not just an administrative issue but a strategic and evolving challenge at the core of modern HRM. So the benefit of diversity are compiling and organization may face the challenges if diversity is not properly managed. For example, like a communication barriers, the differences in a language, tone, communication style can lead to the misunderstanding. Cultural clashes, people may interpret the behavior differently based on the cultural norms and expectation. Unconscious bias, the employees and the leaders may unintentionally favor those similar to themselves. Resistance to change, long standing employees or management may feel threatened by the new perspective or practices. Now, let's move to the managing workforce diversity, how the managers can manage these challenges in our organization. Managing workforce diversity involves creating and maintaining an inclusive work environment where the differences among the employees are respected, valued and effectively utilized. It requires the organization to go beyond simply hiring the people from the diverse backgrounds and focus on fostering a culture of inclusion where everyone feels welcomed and empowered to contribute. So this includes implementing the fair recruitment and promotion practices, offering diversity and inclusion training, addressing unconscious bias and encouraging open communication and collaboration across the diverse team. So the manager must also be culturally sensitive and provide the equal opportunities and actively support the policies that promote the equity and respect. Effective management of a workforce diversity not only helps to reduce the conflicts and misunderstanding but also enhances team performance and employee satisfaction, which will overall help to organizational success. In a globalized world, managing diversity well is essential for building innovative, adaptive, and competitive organizations. Please like and subscribe our channel Tecnia TV. Thank you so much.